Stop feeling stuck at a revenue ceiling, worrying about flat or even declining revenue. Finally, let go of old identities holding you back and start generating the 7 to 8 figure results you deserve. Tomorrow, Thursday, the 7th of November at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, I'm sharing a live workshop called The New Self-Image Alchemy. Here's what's happening. This isn't your typical rah-rah motivational workshop where you leave feeling pumped up only to crash back into your old patterns a few days later. It's also not about passively consuming another course, self-help book, or webinar. And it isn't about reciting lame positive affirmations in the front of the mirror. You've probably tried all those guru tactics already. And you know that these surface level hacks rarely work. Instead, the new Self-Image Alchemy is a hands-on, actionable, and live transformational workshop that combines alchemy principles with cutting-edge peak performance science. It's designed to help six-figure plus entrepreneurs like you craft a new identity to engineer explosive revenue growth in 2025, all while achieving optimal health, energy, and fulfillment. See, through over 16 years coaching elite 7, 8, and even 9-figure entrepreneurs like Sam Ovens, Ty Lopez, Big Mike Stramitis of Advanced Nutrients, and Jeremy Haynes, I've discovered the shocking truth about what separates the elite from the rest. Most entrepreneurs stay stuck, burned out, and frustrated because their identity is not in sync with their revenue goals. And it's not because of their strategy funnels or even their business model. Your identity, or self-image, is like the operating system running in the background dictating your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Until you reprogram your subconscious mind with entirely new operating system, think self-image, your identity, and a new set of beliefs, you'll continue to experience the same results you've been getting no matter how many strategies or tactics you try. It's like trying to run the latest, most powerful software on an outdated, slow computer. No matter how great the software is, think of that as your conscious mind, your old operating system, the subconscious mind, will always hold you back and limit your potential. And that's why I'd like you to join me live tomorrow, Thursday, November 7th at 3 p.m. I'll guide you step by step on how to craft, install, and unleash your 2025 new self, your new identity, by working directly with your subconscious mind and getting it in sync with your conscious mind, and to give you everything you need to become the person who can have explosive growth in 2025. We're going to do this in 4 phases. Phase 1 is create. You'll create a 7-page 2025 Self-Image Alchemy folder with the following pages. The first page is your 2025 Self-Manifesto. This is your North Star. This encapsulates your vision, deepest values, and grandest aspirations to steer your journey to greatness. Page 2 is your new self-identity, the very essence of who you must become to effortlessly attract the success, abundance, and fulfillment you deserve. Page 3 is your 2025 self-story, your narrative. We're going to rewrite your personal history and craft a compelling narrative that empowers and propels you forward. Page 4 is your 2025 self-character traits. Embody the winning traits, habits, and qualities of your future self. And page 5 is your 2025 goals, so you can gain crystal clarity on your most audacious goals, dreams, and revenue for 2025. Finally, in pages 6 and 7, we're going to create affirmations, incantations, and visualization. And these are designed to reprogram your subconscious for success. I could stop the workshop here and call it a day, but the real magic, the profound transformation you're seeking, takes place in the following phases. If any of this sounds interesting to you, click the link in the comments to learn about the new Self-Image Alchemy live workshop happening tomorrow, so click now. And on the next page, you'll be able to learn more about the workshop to see whether it's right for you or not, and you'll be able to purchase yourself a ticket. If you're finally ready to break through your old identities and experience 7, 8-figure results you deserve, as well as looking, feeling, and performing at your best, click the link below, and hopefully I'll see you in the workshop on Thursday.